Hello world, how are you? My name is Shishir. I'm an English speaking coach, so please watch my full video for subscribe with channel so I'll be able to see my all content even when I'll publish my English content to my channel, and I strongly believe that this content will be helpful for your English speaking journey. So today topics is this is a very clear topics, right? How to change your life in 2026. 6 simple steps to improve your English and confidence. So this is time for let's again, don't waste your time because time is very valuable for us, you and me. Want to make 2026 your best year, so please stop scrolling and start improving your life with just 6 simple steps. And yes, you can start with learning English because learning English is one of the most high demandable skill right now in all over the world, because they want to more better English speaker. The world is ready for hire you, but you must have achieved this kind of English speaking skill. So today video I want to share with you 6 simple steps, and if you follow my this step, that time you will be able to speak in English like 24 hours in 7 days. So don't skip my this video. In this video, if you watch fully, that time you will be able to know what's the way you can improve your communication skill. So number one is set clear and achievement goals. Like, start by defining a specific your goal. Exactly what do you want or what do you achieve in your future life? This is very crucial and this is very vital question right now. Like, I want speak English confidently in 6 months, or I want read one English article daily. This must have your focus and goal, because without goals and focus you can't achieve anything. So this is too much important for focus and goal. Like, clear goals help you stay motivated and focused. And number two is create daily routine. Like, build small, be consistent habit instead of trying to do everything at once. You just need one habit in a day. So you must have consistent, like 30 minutes of English learning a day, or 50-minute speaking practice, and journaling your progress every day. A routine keeps your learning structure and productivity. Number three is learn activity with speaking, writing, and listening. Don't just read or watch. Actively practice English, like repeat phrases aloud, write 5 new sentences daily, watch English videos with subtitles, or use apps like Duolingo. Active learning improve your fluency better or faster. Step 4, surround yourself with positively. Like, your environment effective in English. Your goal, surrounding yourself with motivated people or communities. For example, like join English speaking groups, online forums, or practice with friends, and positively help you stay inspired and consistent. Step 5, track progress and celebrate wins. Keep track of your improvement in English and personal growth. Example, note your speaking speed, vocabulary learned, or milestone in your journal. Reward yourself when you achieve small goals. Tracking helps you accountable and motivated. Step 6, this is the last step. Take consistency action. Result come from daily consistent effort. So you must be consistent with your work, with your tasks, Result comes from daily consistency effort. An example like speak English 5 minutes every day, write a short diary entry, or practice vocabulary using flashcard. Consistency is the key to change your life and save influence. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on English learning and life improvement 2026. So tell me in the comment which step will you start today. So this is time for wise use on another content. Please stay tuned with me, and until I back, inshallah I will back within a very short time.